Hello inventors, in this video we are going to learn how we can create World FM radio app using MIT App Inventor. Using this app, you can listen the all over the world's FM radio songs. So let me just show you how we can create this app step by step. So first of all, open the ai2.appinventor.mit.edu and then click on Start New Project. And my project name is, or app name is, World FM Radio New, and OK. Now that's my first screen here. Now we just need to create a design. So first of all, I'm going to use here layout, and that one is, click on layout, and this is horizontal arrangement, and click on again horizontal arrangement, make one second one, and drag and drop one more. So we have three arrangement, horizontal arrangement, and we just need to click on that third one and make this one with this fill parent like this, fill parent like this. And now we need to change that background color to black. I'm going to change that background color of my screen also to the black something. You can make change color according to your requirement. Now we need to add some buttons, like we need to start and stop these songs or FMs. So just drag and drop here one button, and here in the horizontal arrangement in the third, so just drag and drop it here like this, and change that text to FM and make this background color of that button something is style, so or something, that one is something bluish, and make that text color is white like this FM, and make this font size is at least 18 like this. Now just copy that button 2, 3, 4 and click on that horizontal arrangement 3 and make this one in a center like this. Now first is FM, second is play, third one is pause, and fourth one is stop like this. Now we just need to click on that horizontal arrangement 1 and make this hide as fill parent like this, and make this one with is also fill parent, and make this one background color is black, and do the same thing for arrangement 2 also, make it to black, hide is fill parent, and the width is also fill parent. Now we need to drag and drop to list here, so click on list view here, see, and drag and drop that list view in the first, and again we need to just drag and drop one more list here in the horizontal arrangement 2. I'm going to make this background color to something to display this. This is the list, or we can change our list background color to list view 1 background color if I will make it pink, or list 1 2 background color if I will make it pink something like this. Cool. Now that's our tool list here, and we have 4 buttons. Okay, now we need to use here one extension. That extension name is World Radio Extension. I will give you that link in the description, and we need to download that extension AIX file from here. So I will use here the version 2, so download this, go to the MIT App Inventor, click on that extension option, click on import extension, and just drag and drop that extension here and import this. Now just drag and drop that extension like here, and now we need to go to the block section, and we just need to write some code here. So click on World Radio, and you will find a lot of components, like a lot of methods here. So first of all, whenever we initialize our screen, or whenever we open our app, so here see when screen 1 initialize, then we need to fetch the all country list. See, countries list, this one, we will fetch this. Like now we need to create one list, empty list here. So initialize global variable, and the variable name is country list, country list like this. And we just need to create the empty list here, this one like this. So whenever we call this get country list, so this component will automatically call this method. Here we'll find the got country list, see this one. Now we just need to call this here, and we need to get all this country in a list view 1 dot elements. So just call this list view and you'll find here the element, set elements option, this one, and we just need to fetch all these country in the list like this. Whenever someone click on that any country list, suppose in India and the US or the UK, so we have to fetch their FM radios. So do that. Whenever someone click on the list view one dot after picking, this one method. So whenever someone click on any country name, so we have to fetch their FM radios. So click on that word radio and you'll find here the get radio station by the country name. So call this here, and the which country name, so list view. So we have a country list, so list view one dot selection. So you'll find here selection, this one. It means whenever someone click on the India or the US, so this will fetch the India or the US FM radios list. So after fetching that list, or so we just need to, you'll find here got radio station by country name, or this one by name. So we will call this here. We just need to set that station name and station URL in the list view. So just simply list view one dot set this one, and in that list view we will fetch the all station URL here, and in the list 2 we will fetch the all stations name like name. And one thing we just need to do here, in the list view 1 we just need to hide this. So list view one dot visible, so just call it visible is false. So why we are doing this, because we don't want to show the people the URL of that station. Okay, that's why we are hiding this. Now we need to create some variables. So one variable is global index or something index value, because whenever someone click on that the list, it means the list 2 station name. So whenever someone click on suppose FM radio 1 from the India, now we need to fetch that audio from that station. So we need to call that URL. So how we can do that? So whenever someone click on the name, so we can't call the URL directly. So what I will do, I will fetch the index value of that element list from the element list, and then I will call the same index from the station URL list. It means list view 1. So how we can do that? See. So first of all, we will create one variable. So initialize variable and the index value, and we will define this value to 0 here. And one more thing, the URL. So simply just say URL, and we will use that URL as our text, this one like this. Now we need to set that URL in some player, so we need to add one player also. So go to the new tab, open new tab, the purevidaapps.com extensions.php, and you will find here one enhance audio player extension. Click on that extension and download that extension AIX file, this one. And now we need to go to the MIT App Inventor, go to the design, click on import extension, and this one is downloaded. Just now we just need to drag and drop that extension here and import this. Now drag and drop that player here, and now go to the block section here. Now we need to set that URL that we have picked from the radio station. We have to set that URL in that extension to play the radio. So to do that, we just need to set first when someone click on the list view. So whenever we pick the list view 2, it means we have selected the name. Then first of all, we need to set that index value. So first we need to get that index value. It means list view 2 dot selection index. So selection index, this one. So this will return the numeric values, something 1, 2 or 3. And then we need to set the URL. So set global URL, this one. And we need to set that URL. We need to get that URL from the another list. So we will fetch the URL from the list view dot elements. Which element? This one, element. Okay, but we need to get the particular, we need to get the URL from the particular index. It means the second URL or the third URL or the fourth URL. So we will call here list and you'll find here select list item and the list and the index. So list is list view 1 and the index, which index? That global index value that we have default is set 0, but this will automatically set whenever we select the list view any channel. Cool. Now we need to set, click on that Typhoon player and you will find here the set source, set Typhoon source. So we will find that source and we will set the global URL here, this one. Cool. Now we need to play. So we just need to check the condition control if, okay, if the Typhoon player is playing. So first of all check if it's playing or not. So you'll find here is playing. If yes, okay, then we need to stop this. So Typhoon player and you'll find here a stop method like this. Or if not playing, okay, then we will start. If it's playing, then stop and then start. If not playing, then we will start. In the final end, we have to start this like this. Now song is playing. Now we have to stop this, pause this, and we have to get again the country list. So to that, we just need to focus on buttons. So go to the design and you'll find here we have 4 buttons. So button 1 is FM. So go to the block and you will find here button 1. So button 1, so whenever someone click on that button 1, so we will fetch the country list. We already have fetched in its screen initialization here. So call this here like this. On button 2 click. So on button 2 click, what we will do, you will find what is the button for is play. So go to the block, on the button 2 click. So you will find Typhoon player and you will see the start, this one, and just copy this. And on the button 3 we just need to do the stop, or sorry, the pause. And the button 4 click, we need to stop it, stop this one like this. Okay, so we need to change one thing here, and that one is, see, got radio station by name. So what I will do here, I will change that method to the got radio station, this one. Call it here and then just call all things here, just this one. Just change this and delete this one. Cool. So that's the overall your app here. And one more thing you can do, whenever we click on that the fetch the FM get country list, so we should enable this list view 1 dot true. This should be true like this. Cool. Now you can see there are a lot of countries, and let me just open any country. So suppose let's just scroll down Canada, here's the Bhutan. So let me just open the India. So just scroll down and you will find the India here. See this one. So just click on that India and you will get the list of Indian FM radios. So there are a lot of, so let me just click on any one. So let's click on that Sangam, this one, 2B. Click on that and wait some seconds to load that. Just pause this here and you will find here 4 buttons: pause, play and stop. So just play, pause and then stop. Now if you want to play any other songs, any other country songs, so just click on FM again to get the list of all countries again. So that's the overall app. If you need any help on that, so just comment on the video. I'll try my best to solve your problems. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like this video and share this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.